going on, YouTube? I bring y'all another POV drive. Make another POV driver, like, you know, like on back roads. You know what I mean? I don't know if the video is a little darker because I just got the front tint done. I got some chrome tint on, so that's I love it, man. It looks nice. I think I just need to lower it now. Yeah, I just need to lower it, bro, and I think it's gonna look straight. But before I lower it, I gotta do my oil pan, and once I put the oil pan on it, then I can go ahead and lower it. But yeah, no, man, just got her to work. I'm on my way to school. Well, I'm about to stop by my girlfriend's house first. I'm gonna give her some food that she's not feeling good. She's sick, so we're gonna be a good boyfriend and give her some food. Damn, I'm kind of late. Class starts at 6. It's 5:16. Does the audio sound different, bro? Like, does the tint? I don't think the tint makes any difference in how the car sounds. Or does it? I don't know. My voice sounds more echoey. I don't know if that makes sense. I don't know if that's possible. I haven't had too much trouble with the tint. Like, I've passed a couple of cops. None of them really, like, you know, I haven't got pulled over yet. You know, I passed many cops and nothing I got pulled over, so I don't know. I guess we'll just have to wait and see. But honestly, I mean, it's cool having like tint in the front, cause I could be on my phone. It's not good to do, but if you do it, you could be on your phone, you know, and you could be scrolling, and a cop could be in front of you or coming this way, and they can't even see you on your phone. So like, at that point, like, what's the bigger ticket? Me being on my phone or my chrome tint? You know, I took my chances with the chrome tint, honestly. I don't think they'd care too much about it compared to being on your phone. They see that, they're like, oh yeah, nah, let me pull him over. Dang, man, I'm tired. I feel like I've been back and forth. Honestly, bro, I'm just ready to finish school. I'm ready to finish school and start doing my job full time. And of course, make these videos. Honestly, I have fun making these videos. I haven't posted as many, I haven't been posting as consistently this week because I just been busy doing a lot of things. Damn, bro, I'm out of breath for what? Bro, it's so hard to get out of my house. I'm like on a main road and cars, they just keep flying by and they don't let me out. It's a headache. But yeah, no, man. Getting a little POV drive on the back roads. I usually take like the main roads, but I was like, you know what, I'm gonna take back roads. I put my oh, look at that BRZ. It's wired. I just put my sway bar end links on. I put them on yesterday. My cousin, he helped me out do that. He helped me out a lot. I appreciate that, you know. You know, I got those sway bar end links on. So I mean, it's good all in all. I mean, but you know, the sound's still there. So I got a new part on a part that didn't need to be fixed. But I mean, it doesn't really hurt. It's not an expensive part, you know. It's not like you work for a shop and you did an engine swap on the wrong vehicle, you know. That is like, damn, bro. You know what I mean? It's not that severe. It's just a little piece, a little part. But it's so funny though. For me, like, I can relate to these because I've been seeing videos like this. Like, you know, when you change a part and it didn't fix the problem you were originally changing the part for, but it fixed another problem. Right? Tell me why. Like, that happened to me. So the sway bar end links, my car right now is making a clunking sound on my right side. On my right side, my car is making a clunking sound, and it's annoying and it's consistent. It comes and goes. It'll look, right now it's not really making noise, but like after I hit the railroad, or like this railroad up here, after I hit the road, damn, bro, I'm stuttering. After I hit the railroad, like, you know, you'd hear would hear the clunking sound. You know what I mean? I thought it was my sway bar end links, so I changed them. And I test drive it, and it's still like, it's not as drastic, it's not as bad as it was before, but it toned it down a little bit, unless I installed the part wrong. But I tightened them on like real. I made sure it's tight. So I mean, but when I reverse and when I when you switch gears in your transmission, when you're going from like reverse to drive to neutral, my car before, it used to make like a clunk, it would make like a thunk, like a toot sound, but for some reason it's doing now. So, but I don't think that has nothing in like, it has nothing in like it doesn't work together, like the transmission or your sway bar index. It has nothing to like, they don't go hand in hand, you know what I mean? I don't know, bro. I might be tripping. Long story short, I changed the part, it didn't fix the problem, so I'm gonna have to re-diagnose. But honestly, I'm not gonna take it on Infiniti, because Infiniti will tax. They will tax out there. But I might take it to Pet Boys, have them check it out, you know, get a done deal. You know, pay them just for the diagnostic, and if it's something small, I just let them do it. If not, then I'll do it myself. But you know, we're gonna see. Bro, having tint all around your vehicle, bro, it's like mad. Like, I don't know how to explain it. Like, there's no sunlight in here. I'm gonna roll the window down. Look at the difference. Bro, it's so like, I don't know. One of my friends said it's not that deep, it's not that different, bro. But like, I don't think they like, bro. I don't even feel like I'm driving a car. I feel like I'm playing a video game. It's weird, man. It's weird. But I'm probably cut the video here, because I'm getting to my destination. I'll see if I pick up the camera tonight. Not too many people yeah, man, my boy called me, asked who he wanted, and my girl was a car. I just got to my girl's house. So, boy, we on our way to school now. Man, it's hot. Turn my AC on. I forgot I had AC, bro. I've been turning my AC off and then forgetting I even got AC. Bro, it's rush hour right now. We're supposed to be going out of here to go to Corral after. I don't know if I'm gonna go though. Dude's tweaking, bro. You got hella. Bro, I'm not a crash out, but bro, he has so much space. What were they doing? I hate honking. I hate to be that person that honks. Honestly, I don't like honking. Just because I feel like I'm a Karen or this and that, but I don't know. It's kind of like, get a load of this dude. Look at him, he's honking. You know? I'd rather not honk, but man, it's just some people are just a little slow. Dang, bro, look at this traffic. Ay, ay, ay. Are we going to make it in time? For some reason, I thought that was yours. I ain't gonna lie, the BMW X6 is low-key look like yours to me. I don't know. Is that just me? What does it say? MSCSA? What? Bro, think he's like mysterious, nonchalant. You're not him, dude. Just kidding, you are him. What is the Scat Pack? RT, SXT. Camaro Mustang. Where the takeover at? I just playing. I don't condone takeovers. I don't. If I'm being honest, bro, I never been to a takeover. I wouldn't like. I'd go look at one, but to like be in it. But you know how many crash outs you got? The liability of your vehicle. I mean, if you got it like that, you want to go, because I've been seeing people with like Corvettes, not the older gens, the newer ones. And I know they're not that cheap. I mean, it's not expensive, but it's not cheap. I mean, if you got money to blow like that, so be it. You know, you want to blow your money like that. It's a dumb way to blow your money, but if that's how you want to blow your money, go ahead. I'm not though. Bro, those Lexus are clean. Oh, that was another vehicle I was gonna get if I didn't get this. I was gonna get the IS350. I was gonna get the IS350, but honestly, I feel like the Red Sport was a better all-around car for the price. When I bought it, it wasn't that bad. Like the pricing. Oh, what is this traffic? Damn, that car behind me just braked like a mad hard. But like I said, the vehicle of the pricing of the Red Sport wasn't as bad as it was before. Before it was crazy, the prices, but when I got mine, it wasn't too bad. So I pulled the trigger. I pulled the trigger to get it. My mom, she made me some taquitos before I came. Damn, bro, I've been eating good lately. I'm getting a gut. Damn. I'm gonna see if I stream this weekend. I'm thinking on streaming, what's it called? Fortnite or something, you know? You know my videos all about chill vibes, so we're gonna see. If everything plays out good, like I'm probably gonna stream this weekend. But I still don't, bro. This the difference of like with the tent. It's crazy. I'm probably in the video here, you guys. If y'all did enjoy, like and subscribe. It helps me a lot. We are at 170 right now. We're at 170. We're almost at 200, bro. I know we can do it. I don't know if we're gonna make it before April. We're in March right now. I don't know if we're gonna make it before April, but we can get close to it. I know we can get close to it. So I mean, it helps me a lot. It'll mean a lot to me if y'all do like and subscribe. And if y'all do enjoy my POV drives, you know, let me know. Let me know if y'all do enjoy them. All right, I'll catch you on the next video.